Hook straight. Hook straight roll and then 3. Right. 2. Back. Uppercut. Uppercut then turn. Good. Double jab. Cheeky one. Good. Double jab right into the body. Uppercut. Good. 1, 2 jab body. Right straight. Step 4. Ready. Go. Again. 1. 2. Body.
Rolling, Mr. Muppet.
Take 1. Welcome to the Muay Thai Muppets Masterclass. I'm Jason William. This is Dima, and we're about to kill him on the old jumpy horsey thing and this big fat water bag. What are you gonna do?
We're gonna do a minute of these. And then jump off. He's gonna go there. He's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, bang! 1, 2, 3, 4, bang! 1, 2, 3, 4, bang! 1 minute.
Do a 1 minute break. He's gonna do 3 rounds of that. Wish him luck.
Okay, so what you just saw is 3 rounds of that. So taking into consideration, where is he? He's over there. I've just done an hour on the pads with him, so you can see the exhaustion. It's I keep on saying, boxing, total body fitness. If you really want to get sharp, this is what you need to be doing. Plenty of this, safe environment. Come down and give it a bash. For now, I'm out.